Hello people. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the specifications of any process. Because based on the specification only, you will be calculating sigma level of your process, which we'll be discussing in the next session. So what are the specification? See, first thing is specification. Definition of specification is these are the technical requirements of any process or product which customer is demanding that it should be meeting. So specification, mainly we deal with the two type, either it's a unilateral or it's a bilateral. Unilateral means it's a one-sided specification, and bilateral means it's a both side specification we have. When I say one-sided, in the one-sided further can be classified into two categories. Either it's a HB, which means higher is better, or it's maybe LB, which is lower is better. So these are the two things. Higher is better. What is the higher is better? Like as you are looking for the productivity, you are looking for quality, you are looking for sales, you are looking for revenue, or any other things. Many more things like as maybe another customer satisfaction. What is the lower is better? Lower is better. You are looking for the defect. You are looking for complaints, sometime market return, or many more things like this only. So these type are the specification for the one-sided. Higher is better or lower is better. Mostly applies to the service and manufacturing both. But when you talk about any product you are buying, that will have the both side of a specification, which means you have been given LSL, which is lower specification limit, or USL, which is the upper specification limit. And the output of the product dimension must be in between USL and LSL. Suppose any product you buy, let's say you are going to buy a simple as a milk packet, and the volume in the milk pack is 500 ml. Is this something that you will always get the 500 ml? Probably no. Maybe the rule says, or the commodity or the permissible limit, they will say it's a 1% tolerance. If you say 1% tolerance, if I want to find out the 1% of 500 ml, then it's a 5 ml. So my upper specification limit when I will buy or pack a milk packet, it will become 500 plus 5, which is 505 ml. And the lower specification limit will be 500 ml minus 5, because you know that every time you cannot buy, you cannot pack exactly 500 ml. There will be some variation. Though variation you already know we measure in the form of standard deviation. So when you are looking for exact value approximately, it should not be less than as a defined limit, more than as a defined limit. So then this is a bilateral or the both the side of a specification. So you have a higher is better, you have a lower is better, or both the side. In next session, I will be explaining you all three type of specification. Basis on that, how do we calculate our sigma level? Because there is a different formula for different specification calculation. So I'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much.